we've arrived at the heartland of Turkey, the province of Cappadocia. Our first destination was undoubtedly somewhere I would almost consider a pilgrimage site, the famous underground cities. These cities were all created through volcanic rock. And as for the particular one we're about to explore, the Kaymakli Underground City, is more than 80 meters deep and has 8 floors in total. 80 meters! That's roughly the height of a 20-story modern building, shoved down into the land beneath. It could fit more than 20,000 people in there. And guess what? The Kaymakli Underground City isn't even the biggest one among them. There are more than 200 of these cities in the region. And as far as we know, most of them are connected with a subterranean network of tunnels that stretch out for more than kilometers, all dug through solid rock. So this underground network of residential compounds could hold up to more than 1 million people in total. What were they doing down there? And why were they going through the trouble of building living spaces through rock? And not to mention, what technologies did they use to coordinate and navigate the construction? Because without a radar or a compass, it'll be pretty hard to know what's going on down there.
这个小城好难找我们的酒店，然后一失足就得绕大圈儿。这是啥意思啊？终于找到了我们温暖的酒店房间。他们好像凿出来的这个就是为了一个床似的。
它呀，就是神奇摇动是吧？
这真的挺不容易的。
Yeah, so whenever somebody opens the bathroom door, this door wobbles. It's the airflow. Oh yeah, the air pressure.
地道战，嘿，地道战，埋伏下神兵千百万，埋伏下神兵千百万，千里到平原，老练成片，寸一寸，户一户，这可人经常。
I'm following Mama here, entering somebody's living room. It's so organic.
Yeah.
Come see. Yes.
Oh, it's here. Oh. 快顶头了！我觉得我们在一种什么蚁穴里边 ，suddenly we become。
So what made the millstone turn? 不能瞎走。这是命这么设计的。就是像这样设计，问题是You step inside there. 啊，这没 This is really shallow. This could be. Oh, yeah. Can we shovel from here? Oh yeah, shovel some corn. 哎，一边，哎，再来，这还再放几个，真的。
Yes.
It goes down there, goes up there. There's an arrow to right here.
Can you believe this is a staircase?
It's like a hotel.
Yeah.
Just kind of living together.
Yeah.
Well, they can use levers as well. Right?
Oh, some kind of lever, yeah. No, my shoulder. Wow. Here's one of them. Yeah, this is one of those, you see, well, if you look down, it's bottomless.
I would like to address the cramped up elephant in this underground city. You see, my mother is not a tall person at all, and even she would have to curve to pass through these tiny passages, which leads to a question. Even if ancient people were averagely a lot shorter, why would they deliberately build such disproportionately tiny passages for a residential compound for tens of thousands of people? Or maybe for ancient, tiny, intelligent creatures?
Another winery.
And yeah, this is supposed to be a winery? I mean, this is just a row of grooves chiseled into the wall. I would rather believe these were some kind of Star Trek teleportation pods of those tiny intelligent creatures, rather than any form of a storage place at all.
Hello， 在过几天你做一个梦来着，这是一个梦里头的地儿，对人生的。Do it one more time. Yeah, okay.
There were quite a few of these giant boulder-sized round doors in the underground city. Notice how they all have a hole drilled through the middle of them? So maybe these tiny dudes strapped some ropes through the center and connected them to a series of levers and slowly dragged them back and forth to open and close them? Or, with my most wishful thinking, they might have used the same unspeakable advanced tech that they use to construct this whole place, to swiftly open and close them, just like some elevator doors.
Apparently, some dipshit lit and smoked a cigarette here.